Hi kids, wonderful morning to everyone. Hope you all are enjoying the online class. Today I am going to teach a new lesson from our English Marigold book. And what is it, children? Any guess? Can you guess the name of the lesson? Yes, the lesson is Alice in Wonderland from Unit 4. What is the name of the lesson? Alice in Wonderland. I think the name of the lesson is familiar to you all. Am I right, children? Yes. This story is adapted from Alice in Wonderland, written by Lewis Carroll. The story is written by Lewis Carroll. And Alice is a name of a girl. And she is the main character in this story. Okay, children. And what is Wonderland? Wonderland is an imaginary land full of wonders. Or it is a land which is strange and very beautiful or exciting. This story is written by, yes, Lewis Carroll. And Lewis Carroll is an English writer. He is an English writer. He was also a poet, a mathematician and a photographer. He has written many stories, but he is especially remembered for Alice in Wonderland. This story tells about the curiosity of a little girl named Alice who falls through a rabbit hole due to her curiosity. Now let us go through the story. Are you all ready to listen the story, children? Yes. Once there was a girl named Alice. Can you see Alice? Yes. This girl name is Alice. Alice was lying under a tree. She was lying under a tree and she was listening to the story read by her sister. Who read the story, children? Alice's sister read the story and she was listening to the story. While she was lying under the tree, suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. Whom did she see, children? Yes, she saw a white rabbit. The word scamper means to move quickly. Have you seen rabbits, children? Can rabbits talk? No. But this rabbit which Alice saw was something different. It had pink eyes. Can you see the rabbit, children? It has pink eyes. And it was wearing a blue coat. And he also had a big watch in his red waistcoat pocket. The rabbit took his big watch from his pocket and he was worried that he is getting late and started to move quickly. Why was he worried, children? Because he is getting late. Now tell me, children, what was the difference about the rabbit that Alice saw? It could speak. It wore a blue coat and a red waistcoat. It had a big watch. It had pink eyes. Now Alice was wondering and she was surprised to see a talking rabbit and a rabbit wearing waistcoat. So Alice was very curious to know more about the white rabbit and she followed the rabbit. Who followed the rabbit, children? Alice, because of her curiosity to know more about the rabbit. Now the rabbit started running. Now the rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. Who started running, children? Yes, rabbit. And who followed the rabbit? Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit popped down a large rabbit hole. Can you see the rabbit hole, children? The rabbit popped down a large rabbit hole and Alice too jumped into the rabbit hole. Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit went to a long distance into the rabbit hole. As Alice jumped into the rabbit hole, she said loudly that where was she? Alice was confused about the distance while falling down into the rabbit hole. She thought that she might be somewhere near the center of the earth and may slip through the earth to the other side. Finally, Alice fell on a pile of dry leaves. Where did she fall, children? Alice fell on a pile of dry leaves. So, she looked around now. Alice looked around and she found the white rabbit again. She found the white rabbit. When she saw the white rabbit, it disappeared by saying, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Whiskers are the long hair on the face of rabbit. Can you see whiskers, children? Yes, whiskers are the long hair on the face of rabbit. So what did the rabbit say? It said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." By saying so, the rabbit again disappeared. So the rabbit again disappeared and Alice couldn't see the rabbit. Now Alice stood and she saw a small door. She saw a small door which was about 15 inches high. What is the height of the door, children? 15 inches high, which means 38.1 centimeter. Okay, children, the door was too small for her to get in and it was locked. The door was locked and it was too small for Alice to get in. Then she saw a glass table. What did she see, children? Glass table with a golden key on it. On the top of the table, a golden key was there. Can you see the golden key on the glass table? Yes, Alice saw the glass table with the golden key on it. Alice took the golden key and tried to open the lock. Okay, children, she took the golden key and tried to open the lock. With the help of the golden key, she was able to open the door. She was very happy as the key was perfectly fitting the lock. Alice opened the small door and she saw. What did she see, children? Yes, she saw a lovely and beautiful garden with cool fountains which she had ever seen before. Can you see a beautiful garden with cool fountains? Alice longed to be among the beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. But Alice could not even get her head through the door as the door was too small. She was not able to get her head through the door because the door was too small. Now Alice said loudly that she wanted to become smaller. She said that she wanted to become smaller so that she can pass through the door and enjoy the beauty of the garden. So the story ends with this, children. Alice wanted to become small so that she can pass through the door and enjoy the beauty of the garden. So I think all understood the story, children. Now let us read the lesson, Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. Scamper is a quick run. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity, and she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit started running, and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Thump is a sound produced when you hit something. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight, it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller!" she exclaimed loudly. Exclaimed is to say or shout something suddenly because of surprise. Now let us see some of the new words from the lesson. Scamper. S-C-A-M-P-R. Scamper. The meaning of scamper is a quick run. Okay, children? My little brother scampered all over the floor. Next word is hurried. H-U-R-R-I-E-D. Hurried. And the meaning is done quickly. Hurried means done quickly. I hurried towards the classroom for the examination. Next word, pop. P-O-P-P-E-D. Pop. Go somewhere often without notice. Go somewhere often without notice. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Next word is disappeared. D-I-S, dis. A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared. Disappeared. Disappeared means invisible. My pencil disappeared from the table. Next word is whiskers. W-H-I-S-K-E-R-S. Whiskers. A long hair projecting from the face of animals. A long hair projecting from the face of animals. My cat has long whiskers. Now let us revise from our notes of lesson. First Roman number, synonyms. Curiosity, eagerness. Curiosity, eagerness. E-A-G-R-N-E-S-S. Eagerness. Curiosity, eagerness. Scamper, a quick run. Scamper, a quick run. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick, R-U-N, run. Scamper, a quick run. Delight. Delight means great pleasure. G-R-E-A-T. Great. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E. Pleasure. Delight, great pleasure. Whisker. Whisker means a long hair. L-O-N-G, long. H-A-I-R, hair. Next Roman number is antonyms. First one, hurried. What is the opposite of hurried, children? Delayed. Hurried, delayed. Hurried, delayed. D-E-L-A-Y-E-D, delayed. Hurry, delayed. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. O-U-T, out. S-I-D-E, side. Outside. Accept. Opposite of accept is refuse. Accept, refuse. R-E-F-U-S-E. Refuse. Accept, refuse. Suddenly, slowly. Suddenly, slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y. Slowly. Suddenly, slowly. Bright, dark. Bright, dark. D-A-R-K, dark. And the next Roman number is frame sentence. So you can frame your own sentence. Followed, Alice followed the white rabbit. Followed, Alice followed the white rabbit. Wondered, Alice wondered to see a talking rabbit. Alice wondered to see a talking rabbit. And the next Roman number is annotation. Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting. Read, children. Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting. Who said this line? The white rabbit said this line. Who said this line, children? The white rabbit said this line. To whom did it say? It said to itself. It said to itself. I-T, it. S-E-L-F, self. Itself. Answer in short. Read the question, children. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? While listening to the story, what did Alice see? And the answer is, while listening to the story, Alice suddenly saw a white rabbit which was going somewhere hurriedly. While listening to the story, Alice suddenly saw a white rabbit which was going somewhere hurriedly. And the spelling of suddenly is S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Suddenly. Somewhere. S-O-M-E. Some. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Somewhere. Hurriedly. H-U-R-R-I-E-D-L-Y. Hurriedly. While listening to the story, Alice suddenly saw a white rabbit which was going somewhere hurriedly. And the next question is, what was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? And the answer is, the rabbit that Alice saw was different from other rabbits. The rabbit that Alice saw was different from other rabbits because of the following features. Features spelling F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Features. First point, it wore a blue coat and a red waistcoat. It wore a blue coat and a red waistcoat. Past tense of wear is wore. W-O-R-E. Wore. Waistcoat. W-A-I-S-T. Waist. C-O-A-T. Coat. Waistcoat. It wore a blue coat and a red waistcoat. It went somewhere hurriedly. It went somewhere hurriedly. S-O-M-E. Some. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Somewhere. Hurriedly. H-U-R-R-I-E-D-L-Y. Hurriedly. And the next point is it could speak. It could speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. It could speak. It had pink eyes. It had pink eyes. P-I-N-K. Pink. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. It had a big watch. It had a big watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. And what are the 5 different children? It wore a blue coat and a red waistcoat. It went somewhere hurriedly. It could speak. It had pink eyes. It had a big watch. And the next question is, where did the rabbit go? Where did the rabbit go, children? The rabbit entered a deep rabbit hole. The rabbit entered a deep rabbit hole. Entered. E-N-T-E-R-E-D. Entered. The rabbit entered a deep rabbit hole. And fourth question. Read the question, children. How did Alice reach the Wonderland? How did Alice reach the Wonderland? Alice followed the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole. Alice followed the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole. Followed. F-O-L-L-O-W-E-D. Followed. She had a great fall into the deep rabbit hole. She had a great fall into the deep rabbit hole. She fell on a heap of dry leaves. She fell on a heap of dry leaves. H-E-A-P. Heap. Heap of dry leaves, and thus reached the Wonderland. And thus reached the Wonderland. Now read along with me, children. Alice followed the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole. She had a great fall into the deep rabbit hole. She fell on a heap of dry leaves and thus reached the Wonderland. And the last question is, what strange thing did Alice see? What strange things did Alice see? Alice saw a small door about 15 inches high. Alice saw a small door about 15 inches high. Inches. I-N-C-H-E-S. Inches. 15 inches high. She saw a glass table with a golden key. She saw a glass table with a golden key. Glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Glass table with a golden key. G-O-L-D-E-N. Golden. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Alice opened the lock with the golden key. Alice opened the lock with the golden key. Now say along with me, children. Alice saw a small door about 15 inches high. Alice saw a small door about 15 inches high. She saw a glass table with a golden key. Alice opened the lock with the golden key. Answer in paragraph. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. And the answer is Alice saw the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Alice saw the loveliest garden she had ever seen. What is the spelling of loveliest? L-O-V-E L-I-E-S-T. Loveliest. Okay, children? Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. She longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. But she could not go inside. As the doorway was very small. But she could not go inside as the doorway was very small. And the spelling of among is A-M-O-N-G. Among. Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Fountains. F-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Fountains. Repeat, children. F-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Fountains. Doorway. D-O-O-R. Door. W-A-Y. Way. Doorway. Alice saw the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Alice saw the loveliest garden she had ever seen. She longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. But she could not go inside as the doorway was very small. Clear, children? Complete our book pages, children. Now all take your English Marigold book, page number 69. Draw the garden of your dreams. Children, can you see a space given for you to draw a garden? You should draw your imaginary garden and you can color it. And next, tick the correct answer. The rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, pink eyes. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice, the rabbit, children. Yes, it is Alice. Who fell down and down and down? Alice, a mouse, the rabbit. Which is the correct answer, children? The rabbit. And page number 70. Who said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? And the options are the rabbit, Alice, Alice's sister. Yes, the answer is the rabbit. The garden Alice saw was big, lovely, small. How was the garden, children? Yes, lovely. Next, let's write. Find one word from the story that means. Some words are given here, children. You should find the correct meaning of these given words from the story. First one, to walk fast. It starts with H. Which is the answer? Yes, hurried. 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 Next, B, to think. And the word starts with W. So the answer is wondered. 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 C, happy. So what is the answer? It starts with D. And it is delight. 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 Next one, to be seen nowhere. To be seen nowhere. And the word starts with D. Answer is disappeared. DIS. Dis. APPEARED. Appeared. Disappeared. And next one is at once. At once, it starts with Q. Yes, it is quickly. 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 F, move fast. And the word starts with S. Scamper. SCAMPR. Scamper. And the last one, to be inquisitive. To be inquisitive. And the word starts with C. Answer is curious. 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 Now take page number 71, children. Give another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Now write the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. You should write the opposite of the given words and you should frame a sentence with it. Clear, children? First one, lovely. Opposite of lovely is ugly. And the sentence is, she was wearing an ugly dress. Next one, talking. The opposite of talking is quiet. 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 And the sentence is, please keep quiet. Next word is listening. Opposite of listening is speaking. Listening, speaking. And the sentence, I was speaking with my friends. I was speaking with my friends. Next word is see. And the opposite of see is ignore. 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 And the sentence, she ignored me. She ignored me. And the next word, center. Opposite of center, outside. Clear, children? And the sentence is, do not go outside. Do not go outside. And the next exercise, imagine you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? Children, this is Students' Corner. You should write whatever you think. Clear, children? Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. You should rearrange to form a question and you should add a question mark in the end. First one, talk rabbit how can. What is the question, children? Yes, how can a rabbit talk? How can a rabbit talk? And put a question mark in the end. Next one, going he is where. Going he is where. And the question is, where is he going? Where is he going? Add a question mark, children. Next one, Read, he can time the. Read, he can time the. And the question is, can he read the time? What is the question? Can he read the time? Add a question mark. And the last one is, hurry is in a why he. And the question is, why is he in a hurry? Why is he in a hurry? And today we have learned a new lesson from our English Marigold book, and the lesson name is Alice in Wonderland. We have also learned the new words from the lesson, and we have completed our book exercise, and then we have revised from our notes of lesson and paragraph answer from our classwork. Hope you all enjoyed the session, children. Don't stop with it. Continue to learn. Thank you, children.